Question number 4. Complete silence, be attentive everyone. Listen carefully. Kaushik Corporation has purchased machines for 1,24,000 on 1/4/12. 1,24,000 is the purchase price. The carriage and installation expense of this machine was 16,000. Also, the repairing expense of 20,000 was incurred before putting this machine for production. So the total cost of the machine will be 1,24,000 plus 16,000 plus 20,000. Is everyone clear with this? On 1/10/13, underline second machine was purchased. So now it's a two machines question, but we have to make only one account, machinery account, combined for both the machines. We don't have to make machine 1 and machine 2 account separately. We have to make one account combined for both of them. Second machine was purchased for 1,36,000, that is again the purchase price, and its installation expense was 8,000. So cost will be 136 plus 8, 1,44,000. Now first machine was sold on 39/14 at 40% loss of book value. And then first machine. Which machine is sold? First one, not the second one, okay? Prepare machines account up to 31,315 means 3 years. 1/4/12 to 31,315, 3 years. I told you all the questions you'll have for 3 years. And show its accounting effect in the annual accounts. Annual accounts means? Final accounts. Of 12 to 13 means which year? First year. Okay, like 12 to 13, right? First year. Company provides depreciation on machines at 10% every year under straight line method. So straight line method is to be used. Now here we'll make combined workings for machine 1 and machine 2. I'm explaining it to you so understand it thoroughly. Next question I'll ask you the workings. Okay? So write down working note 1. Machine 1 and machine 2 will make it simultaneously in columnar form. Machine 1 and machine 2. Okay? No debit credit. Further. Yes, now Kaushik Corporation has purchased machine of 1,24,000 on 1/4/12. So write down 1/4/12 purchase in machine 1 column 1,24,000. Did you understand this? Further, the carriage and installation expenses of this machine was 16,000 and repairing expense of 20,000 was incurred before putting this machine for production. So plus expenses are 16,000 plus 20,000, 36,000. So 1,60,000 is the cost of this machine. Did all of you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion so far?
No, sir.
Now, on 1/10/13, underline 1/10/13. Now listen everyone, we have to go in the chronological order of dates. So every next transaction, next date which comes, repeat, compare with the year ending. Okay, you will record whichever things take place first. Means, when will the year of 1/4/12 end? 31/3/13, 31st March 2013. When the year ends, we are supposed to provide depreciation. So 1/4/12 will end on 31/3/13. And next transaction takes place on 1/10/13. So Will 31st March 2013 come first or 1st October 2013 come first? In the chronological order, on 31/3/13 first we will provide depreciation on machine 1. Raise your hand who did not understand this. Okay, we have to record in the chronological order. So whenever next date comes, what will you do? Compare with the year ending and record whichever takes place first in the chronological order. Next transaction occurs on which date? 1/10/13. Our year ends on which date? 31/3/13. Which takes place first? 31/3/13. So on 31/3/13 first we will provide depreciation. Now straight line method, and this is full 1 year.
Yes.
This is 1/4/12 to 31/3/13 full period of 1 year. So 1,60,000 into 10%. 16,000. Okay, depreciation rate at the end is given 10%. Can you all see that? Straight line method means we have to count it on cost price. So 1,60,000 into 10%, 16,000. 160 minus 16, 1,44,000. This will be the book value on which date? 1/4/13. Is everyone clear with this? Now the next transaction takes place on 1/10/13. Again, when does the year of 1/4/13 end? 31/3/14. Will 1/10/13 takes place first? 1st October 2013 will take place first, or 31st March 2014? 1st October 2013. 2013 will come before 2014. Did everyone understand it? So now we can record 1/10/13. Any confusion in this? So 1/10/13, again there is a purchase in machine 2 column. 1,36,000 plus expenses 8,000. So 1,44,000 will be its cost. Did everyone understand this? Any confusion so far? Shall I proceed further? Now first machine was sold on 39/14. Now again, whenever the next date comes, you compare it with year end. When will 1/4/13's year end? 31/3/14. And the next transaction takes place on 39/14. Will 31st March 2014 come first or 30th September 2014? 31st March 2014 will come first. So again on 31st March 2014, year ending, we have to provide depreciation. Did everyone understand this? Now listen carefully. First machine's book value 144,000 is on 1/4/13. On first machine we have to count depreciation for full year. 1/4/13 to 31/3/14. But when is the second machine purchased? So second machine 1/10/13 to 31/3/14 is a period of 6 months. October, November, December, January, February, March. On first machine we will count depreciation for full year, and on second machine we will count depreciation for 6 months. First machine we already did here 16,000. That will remain same. It was already 10% for full year. So this 16,000 will remain same. Any confusions with this? Raise your hand. Now second machine we will count for 6 months. So 1,44,000 into 10% into 6 divided by 12. 7,200. Okay, cost is 1,44,000. So straight line method means we have to count on cost price. 1,44,000 into rate of depreciation is 10%. And we have to provide depreciation for only 6 months. So into 6 by 12, 7,200. Any confusions in this? All are clear with it? Now, 1,44,000 minus 16, 1,28,000. And 1,44,000 minus 7,200, 1,36,800 will be the book values on which date? 1/4/14. Is everyone able to understand this? Now, what is the next transactions date? 39/14. Now again compare it with year end. 1/4/14 year ends on which date? 31/3/15. Will 31st March 2015 come first or 30th September 2014 come first? 2014 will come before 2015. So next date in the order will be 39/14. We have to record the things in the chronological order. Did you understand this, everyone? Now which machine is sold? First machine. So only first machine's calculation will be done. 1/4/14 to 39/14 we are again using it for 6 months. April, May, June, July, August, September. We are again using it for 6 months. 30th September is a September full month we are using it. So again on machine 1 we have to count depreciation for 6 months. Straight line method means we have to count on cost price. So 1,60,000 into 10% into 6 by 12. Okay, we have to count depreciation for 6 months only. So 1,60,000 into 10% into 6 months. So 6 divided by 12. See, first 2 years we provided 16,000. That was for full year. Now this is for half year, so 8,000. Did you understand this? This is for only half year, so amount will be 8,000. So what will be its book value when we are selling it? 1,20,000. Any confusions? Now see the information. It is sold at 40% loss of book value. So loss will add or minus? Will minus 40% loss. 1,20,000's 40% is 48,000. Count it, everyone.
Yes, sir.
So 1,20,000 minus 48,000, 72,000 is its selling price. Okay, 1,20,000 minus 48,000, 72,000 is its selling price. And the story of first machine is over. Any confusion in this? Now, raise your hand who did not understand these calculations. All are clear with this? Before selling it, we are using from April to September for 6 months. So we provided depreciation for 6 months. This book value we obtained, now we sold it at 40% loss. So that we minus and we get the selling price. Now again this year 1/4/14 would end on which date? That no other transaction is there. So end of the year we have to provide depreciation on machine 2. Machine 2 is still remaining with us. So end of the year we have to provide depreciation on machine 2. So 31/3/15 minus depreciation again. But straight line method means you have to count on cost price. See here 16,000 remains same. But don't do 8,000, sorry 7,200 same, because this 7,200 was the depreciation of 6 months. But now this machine 2 you are using for full year. So now it will not be 7,200. Now it will be 1,44,000's 10%, 14,400. Okay, this 16 remains same because it was for full year. But this 7,200 was of 6 months, and now April to March we have to count for full year, so it will not be 7,200. It will be 1,44,000's 10%, 14,400. Did everyone understand this? 1,36,800 minus 14,400, 1,22,400 will be its book value on 1,450. Did everyone understand this? Anyone having any confusion in it? Now we are asked to make only two things. One is machine account and second is annual accounts. Only two things are asked. One is machine account and the other is annual account. Okay. Journal is not asked. So now we will make machinery account with the help of that shortcut. What shortcut did I discuss with you? PP. What is that PP? Purchase and profit. That will come on debit side. Everything else credit side. So directly from this workings we will make the ledger account. Okay, make the format of machine account. Ledger of Kaushik Corporation. Now once we have made this workings, then you don't require the question. You will directly make machinery account from the workings itself. Okay? Whenever you make the workings, just be careful, everything should be in the chronological order, which you can verify at the end. 1, 4, 12, 31, 3, 13, 1, 4, 13, 1, 10, 13, 31, 3, 14, 1, 4, 14, 39, 14, 31, 3, 15, all comes in the chronological order. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Be attentive now everyone. Purchase and profit will come on debit side. Everything else will come on credit side. And after 31st March year endings depreciation, we have to do the balancing. After 31st March depreciation, we have to do the balancing every year. Okay. 1,412 purchase. Purchase will come on debit side. So get on debit side 1,412. Big amount 1,24,000 to bank account. Small amount 36,000 to cash account. Clear with this everyone? PP, purchase and profit debit side, everything else on credit side. So purchase we have recorded on the debit side. Did everyone write it down? Once the workings are done, then this will be done very fast. Now 31,313 depreciation will come on the credit side. 31,313 by depreciation account 16,000. Able to understand this? Purchase and profit debit side, everything else credit side. So depreciation credit side. And I told you after 31st March depreciation we will do balance. So 1,60,000 minus 16,000, 1,44,000. 31,313 by balance carried down. Opposite side 1,413 to balance brought down. 1,44,000. Did everyone understand this? Any doubts up till here? Raise your hand who is still writing it. Further, what did I tell you? 1,413's balance should match with book value. See what is the book value on 1,413? 1,44,000. Okay. Raise your hand who is still doing the balancing. Now see, after 1,413, 1,1013 again there is purchase. Purchase and profit will come on debit side. So again debit side 1,1013. Big amount 1,36,000 to bank account. Small amount 8,000 to cash account. Able to understand this? Purchase and profit on debit side. So 1,1013 is also recorded. Any confusions?
No.
Everyone has written with 11013's transaction? Raise your hand, we're still writing it. Now 31,314 depreciation will come on credit side. 31,314 by depreciation account. Now here depreciation, there are two figures, 16,000 and 7,200. But as I said, we are making combined machinery account for 1 and 2. So we will record 16,000 plus 7,200, 23,200. Understood this? We will record 16,000 plus 7,200, total depreciation of 23,200. All are clear up till here? Now again, as I said, after 31st March depreciation, you will do balancing. So 1, 2, 240, 70, 88, 2,88,000. Lakh 88 minus 23,200, so 2,64,800. 31,314 by balance carried down. Opposite side 1,414, to balance brought down. 2,64,800. Any confusions in this? Now what did I tell you? This book value, this balance should match with book value. See here on 1,414 book values, do it 1,28,000 plus 1,36,800. Does it match or not? Does this balance of 264,800 match with the book value on 1,414 or not?
Yes.
128 plus 136,800 comes to 264,800. So till 1,414 is done. Did everyone understand this? Yes, now? Is everyone clear up till here? Now further, after 1,414, 39,14, again there is depreciation. Depreciation will come on credit side. Let on credit side 39,14 by depreciation account. $8,000. Single amount is only there, 8,000. Did you understand this? Any confusions? Book value as no entry. After that 40% loss. But I told you in journal also first record sale, then record loss. Purchase and profit debit side. Sale will also come on credit side. So 39,14 by bank account with the selling price of 72,000. Did you understand this? Now purchase and profit debit side, so loss credit side 39,14 by profit and loss account $48,000. Did you understand this? Only purchase and profit debit side, everything else credit side. So depreciation credit side, selling price credit side, loss also credit side. Then after that 31,315 again depreciation. So depreciation will come on credit side. 31,315 by depreciation account. No, it's in the same year. I told you you'll do the balancing after year end in 31st March depreciation. This was the between of the year. 39,14 was in middle of the year. You'll always do balancing after the depreciation of 31st March. Is everyone clear with this?
Yes.
So again 31st March you'll write depreciation on credit side 14,400. Okay. Now you'll do the balancing. 64,800 both the sides, minus now 70, 120, 128, 142, 400. 142, 400 if you subtract, then you'll get 1,20,400. 22,400. 31,315 by balance carried down, and opposite side 1,415 to balance brought down 1,22,400. Did anyone understand this? This should match with the book value. See, what is the book value on 1,415? 1,22,400. Did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
So this is how we have to make machinery account. Directly from the workings, no need of any journal. Okay? Purchase and profit comes on debit side. Everything else comes on credit side. Are you all able to understand this? Anyone having any doubt in it? All are there with this? What else is asked? Effective annual accounts. So give the heading. Effects in annual accounts or final accounts. You put on the fans because only one AC is working. Now, effects in final accounts. For which year it is asked? First year. Means final accounts we have to do only for this year. First year. 12 to 13. Okay? Yes, what happened? Now keep the fans on because only one AC is working. You'll feel hot after some time. So, profit and loss account for the year ending 31/3/13. Now this we have done earlier and you have taken in homework also. So Sheetal, profit and loss account, how will we show the things? Silence everyone, no discussion. Yes, raise your hand. How will we show the things in profit and loss account? Why only so few people know this? Others have not done the illustrations in homework when given. Wait. Yes, as I said, we have to do it only for this year. So P&L account simply to depreciation 16,000. People are doing the homework or not? Yes. So in the very first day I gave you 2 such questions in homework. 3 such questions in homework where annual accounts were asked. So now, to depreciation 16,000. And final how will you show on the asset side? Tell me with values. Just by getting the papers etc. on WhatsApp, you don't understand everything. You need to prepare for that. Enough of nonsense is being going on in this class. And everyone who is involved is going to be penalized. Don't be under the assumption that you are escaped of it. So now, Darshan?
Machinery account minus debt.
Yes, what amounts?
1,22,000.
1 lakh? 1,24,000. So I see only the first amount. Then minus depreciation. Anuj? Yes, machinery 1,60,000 is the cost. Minus depreciation 16,000, 1,44,000. That is what you will show in the asset side. Machinery 1,60,000 minus depreciation 16,000. So outer column 1,44,000. Did everyone understand the effects in annual accounts? Any doubts in this? So now look at question number 2. Same page, question number 2. Question 5, question number 2. Be attentive. If you have done the homework on your own without copying in the last lecture, you must be able to answer this. On 1/4/13, Hansa Limited has underlying balance in machine accounts in its books of rupees 36,000. This machine was purchased 7 years back. This machine was sold at 30% profits of its book value on 31/3/14. Every year, company charges depreciation at 10% under straight line method. From the above information, pass necessary journal entries and prepare machine account. But depreciation we have to count on cost price. And what is 36,000? Book value. Raise your hand. How will you find the cost price? It was given in homework in the last lecture. So how will you find the cost price? Raise your hand. Atifa? Silence everyone. Suppose on 1/4, when is the asset purchased? 13 minus 7? 6. Okay, 13 is the book value's date. It was purchased 7 years ago. So 1/4/13 minus 7 years ago means 1/4/2006. The cost price is further. Therefore, annual depreciation is 100 into 10%, that is 10 rupees. Then, yes, now how many years are already over? 7 years. So, total depreciation of 7 years will be equal to 10 into 7, that is 70. Further? Yes, book value on 1/4/13, that is after 7 years, will be 100 minus 70, that is 30. Cost price 100 minus depreciation 70. So what will be the book value after 7 years? 100 minus 70, 30. Did you understand this, everyone? Next. Now when book value on 1/4/13 is 30, cost price on 1/4/06 is 100. You see in the question, first sentence, what is the book value given on 1/4/13? Do you all find 36,000? So what will its cost? 36,000 into 100 upon 30. 1,20,000. And therefore annual depreciation? Very good. Sit down. Annual depreciation will be 1,20,000 into 10%, that is 12,000. Did every one of you understand this? Anyone having any doubt in it? So now we can make the working note 2 of depreciation, and it is sold at profit, and then we can pass the necessary journal entries. So write down working note 2. on 1/4/30. Anyone still doing this workings? Raise your hand. Completed fast. Raise your hand who is still doing it. All of you have done the workings. Now, second working we attended. On 1/4/13, will it directly start with the book value of 36,000? Machinery account has balance of 36,000. Means will it directly start with the book value of 36,000? Any doubt in this? Now it is sold on which date? 31/3/14. So before selling it, we will provide depreciation. Okay. As we have calculated, what will be the depreciation? 12,000. So 36,000 minus 12,000. What will be its book value when we are selling it? 24,000. Anyone having any doubt on this? Okay, we have calculated depreciation by the workings. It is coming to 12,000. Yes, Rutura, what is the confusion? Read the question. It is given. The machine was sold at 30% profit on book value on 31/3/14. So 1/4/13, then 31/3/14. After 1 year, the asset is sold. Is everyone clear with this?
Yes.
Now profit or loss? Profit. So we will add plus 30% profit. 24,000, 30% is 7,200. Means selling price will be 31,200. Okay, 24,000 into 30% is 7,200. So selling price will be 31,200. Did you understand this, everyone? Now we have to pass journal entries and pay machinery account. So journal entries, how many will come? 2 entries of depreciation, 1 of sale and 1 of profit. 4 entries will make the format. Yes, make it fast. 30 more seconds, then I'll start doing it. 4 journal entries here to pass. Do your work without talking. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we attended. Very first of all, we'll pass two entries of depreciation. So 31,314. Depreciation account debit. To machinery account. $12,000. Is everyone clear with this? B. Depreciation provided at the rate of 10% by SLM. Okay, being depreciation provided at the rate of 10% by SLM. Then again same date 31/3/14. Profit and loss account debit to depreciation account. Depreciation will be transferred to profit and loss account 12,000. So depreciation you reverse and credit to close it, and you transfer it to P&L, so profit and loss account debit. Being depreciation account transferred to profit and loss account. Got it, everyone? Now, which entry will you pass first, profit or sale? Sales entry will always come first, after that only you learn profit. So same date 31/3/14. Bank account debit to machinery account 31,200. Okay, bank account debit to machinery account 31,200. Is everyone clear with the entry of sale? B. Machinery sold at 30% profit. Okay. And for the profit, what will be the entry? Raise your hand for the profit. Raji. Machinery to P&L. Profit and loss we debit when there is a loss. There is a profit, so profit and loss account you will credit. Machinery will have credit balance, so to close it you will reverse and debit. Machinery account debit 7,200 to profit and loss account 7,200. Did everyone understand this? B. Profit on sale of machine transferred to profit and loss account. Did you all understand this? So 24, 55, 62, 63, 400, 62, 400. And what else is asked? Machinery account. But here it will be a small one. We don't have to make it for 3 years. We have to make only for this 1 year. So it will be a small machinery account with 4 to 5 lines. Did you understand this, everyone? So ledger of Hansa Limited. When we have the journal, then we'll always do the ledger account from journal only. If we don't have the journal, then we do with the shortcut. Okay? 30 seconds for it, do it fast. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now be attentive. Very first of all, this book value will come as opening balance 1, 4, 13, 2 balance brought down. This book value will come as opening balance 2 balance brought down 36,000. Did you understand this? Any confusions? Now after the opening balance, depreciation to machinery. Did everyone understand the opening balance? Raise your hand who is not clear with it. Machinery account in the question is given as having a balance of 36,000. So that we have written 1, 4, 13 opening balance brought down 36,000. Now depreciation to machinery. To machinery, so on credit side 31, 3, 14 opposite account by depreciation account 12,000. Understood this everyone? Any doubt with this? P&L to depreciation will have no effect on machinery account. Now again bank to machinery, so credit side 31, 3, 14 opposite account by bank account 31,200. Did everyone understand this? And then machinery account debit to profit and loss. Machinery account debit, so debit side 31, 3, 14 to profit and loss account in bracket profit. As we discussed, purchase and profit will come on debit side. 7,200 and squared up account. Machine is sold, so both the sides you will find 43,200. Did you all understand this portion, everyone? In the homework, you will repeat both these questions. First question where we made two machines. Tomorrow when we solve that question, I will be asking you and you will be telling me how to get every amount and every rate. So you repeat that. Similar to this is there in the homework, in illustration, but I will do it in the class only. Because some different points are there. So you'll get confused with that. Okay? So these both questions present you to repeat in the homework. Bye everyone.